Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a screen monitor, so let's get started. First, draw two lumpy eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw a line down. A line to the right. And down again. Connect the line. Again a line down to the right, down again, now just following with me. Now we have a screen monitor. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.